What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're going to be unboxing my Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Now, I pre-ordered these along with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra a few weeks ago, and they finally came in, and I'm about to take a look at these. I took advantage of their trade-in deals that they had going on, so I'm going to be trading in my Buds Pro 2 for these, and I think I'm going to pay like half price for these or something like that. Not exactly sure, but here they are. Now these, I picked up the white ones, but they also come in a silver color as well. I wanted to go ahead and pick up the white ones. So a few of the specs on these, features and details. These are IP57 water and sweat resistant. These are Bluetooth 5.4. These have a 515 milliamp hour battery case. The earbuds themselves are 53 milliamp hours. You're going to get about 30 hours playtime with ANC off. You're going to get about 22 hours of talk time with ANC off. These feature 3 microphones, two-way woofer, and a tweeter. These also have touch control with personal touch. These have blade lights as well. These feature adaptive noise cancellation. They also have AI features such as live translate. These also feature hi-fi audio, 24-bit, 96 kilohertz as well, and also 360 audio as well. So those are a few of the features and details. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box here. So on the front of it, you can see Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And that's pretty much it with the box, man. It tells you on here some other stuff, high quality sound with enhanced two-way speaker, adaptive ANC, sound optimization, and blade lights. A few things that I already mentioned. So let's go ahead and pop this open. So I have really enjoyed the Buds 2 Pro, and I do like the stem style of earbuds. So that was one reason why I was, wanted to go ahead and update. So I did not pick up the watch, but I am planning on getting the watch sometime soon. So in the box, you're going to get your charging cable, and I think these are different size earbud tips right here. Now here they are. So they give you a large, and it's probably the medium on there. Now I'm going to need the small. I just have small ears, so you get those in there. You're going to get your quick start guide here. Find your perfect fit, pair with your mobile device right there. And let's see what else we get in here. And you get your quick start guide right here. So that is all you get in the packaging there. Your Type-C to Type-C cable there. So we're going to get this stuff over to the side. And then let's take a look at the earbuds. So these kind of remind me of another pair that I have from another company, a fruit company. But yeah, that's what these look like here. Here's the case. Very glossy case here. Look like you got a pairing button there. And you got your Type-C charging port there. The case feels very nice. It's plastic, but it feels good. There's your LED indicator light there. And then here's the actual bud right here. This is the right one. Get a close look at that. Very clean, very clean. Here's your blade right there. Once I get these paired up, we'll take a better look at them. Look like you got a microphone there, another mic there, and here's the, look like another mic at the bottom. It's got an orange accent there. These supposedly, if you can't find them, they'll light up, make noise and stuff like that. Not sure with the blue and the orange right there. I guess that's to let you know which side, yeah, because it's blue on this side and this was orange, so you can't get it mixed up which one goes where. So that's pretty neat right there. Very nice. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the little case here. Let's go ahead and get this open. Now this was included. There's some tape there. I'm about to rip it up real good there, so let me cut the tape. I like to keep my boxes because sometimes if I decide to sell, I like to have the original packaging just like it is. I don't know if I've ever sold a pair of earbuds, but you know, I just like to have the original case that it came out of and box and stuff. So in here, get the case, and I'm not sure if how this works, but we're gonna figure it out. User's manual, built for the Buds 3 case, and there it is, giving you all the instructions on how to put the case on right there. So that is pretty nice right there. Let's go ahead and look at the case. So this is also plastic. It's supposed to be a carabiner, but there wasn't one included. I guess you have to, oh, it's inside, I see it. Sorry about that, guys. Here it is here. So here it is, plastic. You guys see here, it's opening for your charging port, and your button may not be there, but yeah, here it is. Clear black plastic, and then you get your carabiner clip right here as well. So let's go ahead, take that out. There it is there. Sometimes I use these when I have it hooked up, have my Buds hooked up to my bag. I'll use this. So there it is. Let's go ahead and see if we can get these powered up, or connected, I should say. So let's see if they automatically, so it automatically picks up the Buds 3 Pro. Gonna go ahead and connect. So as simple as that, guys. And it's gonna do its thing here. It's going to ask me a few questions here. Now it's downloading some software. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and get these set up. Then we'll come back and take a look at the app and a few more things. So I'll be back after it's finished. Okay, guys, so we're back in. That didn't take very long at all. There was just a few things I had to do to connect. So it's going to be very easy to get these connected. So this is the Galaxy Wear app right here. You guys see that they're giving me a battery percentage on the two Buds and also the case. Gives you the name of your, whatever you choose to name your earbuds. You can test your earbuds fits right here. See the battery status and set sound controls right from your home screen. I'm going to add that right now. So I'm going to add it. And let's go out and see if it's there. There it is. So we're going to go back into the app and take a look at some of the other stuff here. So you also have your ambient sound, adaptive and active noise cancellation. You can switch to either one of those. You also have sound quality and effects. You can turn on the 360 audio, which I do like. I'll turn that on. You do have equalizer here. You can personally set that, or they do have some presets. Right now I'm going to put it on bass. Now I'm going to come back in a few days and let you guys know what I think about these. You got boost, dialogue, loudness, normalization, adjust sound to fit, advanced quality options here, ultra high quality, UHQ audio, and super wideband speech. Right there. You got your earbud fit test, which I'm going to do. You also got your earbuds control. Media controls, left, right, what you can assign what you want each bud to do. When you press on the blade right there, that's the right one. Here's the right one here, the left one, and the right one. You can pinch to answer the phone call or decline call with a pinch and hold. And your earbud lights, you can have them blinking, fade in and out, or steady. They give you, so that's blinking right there, and then fade in and out. So I'll leave it on blinking, see how that looks. Let's go back out. You're also going to have earbud settings. So you got your voice control, in-ear detection, read notifications allowed, seamless earbud connection, neck stretch reminder, labs. And labs, you're going to have gaming mode in there, look like. Reset, accessibility, and earbud software update. That pretty much looks like it, if I'm not missing anything here. Now, when you do go into your settings, from what I understand, you're going to have more control within the settings menu as well. So I'm going to go to Bluetooth here. Wheels Buds 3 connected for calls and audio. And if you hit the little wheel right here, it gives you a lot of stuff in here that you can do too. You can control whether you want the calls to come in, audio on and off, audio switcher to other devices, auto switch to other devices. So that's cool. Super wideband speech, UHQ, use ultra high quality audio, listen to Auracast broadcast, and then, you know, there it is right there. You guys can see, you can rename them. I'm going to leave them at that name, disconnect and unpair. So that is pretty much the app right there, guys. So pretty robust. You're going to have a lot of stuff there that you can do with these. And I'm not sure how you get the blade lights on, but I do notice when you put them back in the case, they come on right there. So let's go ahead and put this case in here. Let's get this set up. Get the buds in the case. So this is what they're going to look like in the case. Very nice. That's going to keep that white from getting stretched up like that right there. So there they are. And that's what they look like. So let's take a look at these buds compared to the Buds 2 Pro. And you can see a big change here in the case as well. And this is what you got. This is what I'm coming from. This is what I'm going to right here. So pretty much the same size almost. These are a little bit bigger, but I do like the stem. I think I'm going to like the stem a little bit better. Like I said, I'm going to trade these in. These have been pretty good, though. I can't complain about these that much. But the cases are definitely a whole lot smaller, as you guys see. So let's take a look at them against the AirPods. So Pros right here. Here's the AirPod Pro. The stem is definitely going to be shorter, a little bit shorter. The bud is a little bit smaller as well, the earbud, but similar, pretty similar in size and stuff like that. This one is, they are marked right and left as well. So there they are there, pretty close. Like I said, I do like the stem type and the case. Samsung's a little bit bigger. Now, this is in a case and these are in a case. So the case could be a little bit bigger, but pretty close to the same design there, guys. So like I said, I'm going to come back after using these for a while, and I'll let you guys know what I think about these after using them. Here's the bottom. Now, as you guys see, you can't get to the button under the bottom of it with the case on. So that'd be mindful of that. But here it is. So these are the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And I'll definitely leave a link in the description if you guys want to go over and pick these up. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.